Hello, it's masumjia here. So let's dive into today's insights. So we want to take this dynamic value, the dog name, email address for our Facebook event match quality improvement, and that Facebook event match quality is depend on your region. Where are you running the ads or the pixel location? So let's say if you are living in US or UK, Canada. So for these three regions, event match quality depends on three different factors. So Facebook decide the event which quality on which advertiser sending the mass data to Facebook. So as much as data we have, we will send. So I have a lead form, a name and email. So I am sending the data for my lead. So that would be quite enough, but there is different parameters for this. So as you can see, I'll show you email address, phone number, first name, last name, country, postal code. So if you can send all the data to Facebook, Facebook will improve the image quality as much as possible. So as I have email address and first name, I just chose this to put. Okay, so I'll just take the value. How? Let's go to console. I have a code to get the value, which is input document dot query selector input name. Enter. This is my name, and then if I replace it with email, and you'll be able to see my email. So I got my data from my site. So now I have to store the data. So first of all, create the variable to get the data on your site. Go to variables. On the bottom, first of all, come to configure and click on the click text, click URL, click target, click ID, click classes, click element. Just enable all click variables. So go to new variable. So I'll be choosing custom JavaScript for this. So how to do that? I have already made this. So just follow my code, just see function and just give it a pause and just write the code on your browser. So this variable name would be name. Okay, name, not I'll say username. One more, custom JavaScript. This would be user email. Okay, so my variable creation is been done. Go to tags. We have to pull that data and save on our browser. Click on new, tag configuration, custom HTML. For that, we have to do one thing. Script. We will not using the now. Okay. So you have to close the tag script. So I'll show you from the beginning. Script slash script, then we'll be showing window dot stores. So let's see the code for manual typing. Local stores. I'll just copy. Okay, you just type for you. I'm just doing this for saving my time. So give two brackets and the next line, and this means line break. Okay, this semicolon means line breaks. You have to do that. First of all, put two single comma and then another. First of all, give the name what you want to call the variable name, username. I will call it with username. So for the next line, I'll do the same. Copy. I'll just paste this code, and this would be user email. Okay. Give two bracket users email. That means using these, I am just saving the data on browsers users browser. Okay, so I have to add a trigger. The trigger would be click trigger configuration, just links, some links. When this will fire, okay, this will fire when the click text is, which is the click text, as you can see, claim my free trial. How I'll find that? I'll go just copy the text, paste it here. Click text contains. When this will find this will just fire my data to save on the browser. Okay, I'll just save it dynamic value tracking trigger. Okay, save it. So that's saved, and I'm saving the data successfully. Dynamic value tracking tag. Okay, give it a save. So we have saved the data. Now we have to pull the data using variables. Go to variables. Again, we have to do that. Don't worry. So go to new, custom JavaScript. Here we will pull the data using this code. Okay, not this. Using this code. Function return window.localStorage.getItem. What will be here is username. I have give the name username on the previous tag. So user name variable save. I'll create another variable, custom JavaScript username, and now user email. Okay, click on the custom JavaScript and get the code, copy. So that would be user email, and give it a save. Now we'll test if this is working. Okay, preview. Okay, give it. Okay, it's now previewed. I have give it a second time. So yeah, now continue. So on the first page, if you go to container load under variable, you will see some data already have been saved with the name a user email variable null. So now let's say mj of t masumjia@gmail.com, claim my free trial. Now the data has been saved. So we'll see container loaded. As you can see, user email variable masumjia@gmail.com mj. So how we can know we have saved the data on the user's browser? So let's go to inspect. That's the magic here. It is some advanced work, but I'll show you in short. Application. Okay, we make it huge. So user email. Okay, here you can see username is mj, and then user email uemail. Okay, as you can see, uemail is not this. We have the username email. Okay, as you can see, uemail is not there. So wait, let's first go to verify what we have been named it. Go to tags to just show you is it's saving on the browser. Okay, what's the variable name? It's user email. Okay, user email. Where is user email? User name, user email, phone. Here, user email is here, masumjia@gmail.com. This will update when if a user just okay on the page. If a user give the name and he refresh the page and click the button again, this will update automatically on your browser. So what we are doing is now is we are saving the data on the browser to pass the data on the second page, and we will use the data to send Facebook. So how will you send it? Go to Tag Manager, Facebook lead. This is Facebook pixel tag. We'll be sending some data. I have show you the two parameters. Just copy them. Okay, this is my user email address. Then the first, keep this same parameter. Okay, don't make any mistake about this. User data dot address dot first name. So what was that? User email name variable, user email variable. Give it a save. That's the magic happening here. So we'll go to the server tag. This is the server tag. We'll send the data from both sides for better tracking. Okay, two parameter. We'll be adding two parameter, user email, then the user email address. Okay, copy. Okay, so the same user email variable, not user email, sorry, user name variable, user email variable. So submit it, publish it. We'll check now that if our data is sending to event manager successfully. Test event. Okay, go to workspace and hit a refresh if possible. Okay, it's taking some moments. This preview, as I have already opened the window, this will just reload this windows. Okay, let's say I'll change the data for you now, which is I'll put my full name masumjia and email is jiaamasum@gmail.com. Claim my free trial. So we'll be able to see through the extension, through the tag, through the events in multiple way. Okay, don't worry. So this lead event has been fired successfully. Go to lead. What is the first name? Masumjia. Jiaamasum. That means the data has been updated. So go to your event browser. What parameter we have sent? Masumjia, jiaamasum. The browser data has been come successfully. As you can see, server side also coming with this data: email address, first name, IP address, user and browser ID. The deduplication has been successfully done. We have covered this on our previous video. So that's it for now. Have a good day.